What's up, people? Charles here, and in this video, I'm gonna tell you my plans with Myaddsup, and basically what I'm gonna do with Myaddsup, I'm gonna use this as a cash flow to build a real business. And excuse me, I'm eating, but I want to get this video out soon. And basically, what Myaddsup is, it's a pay-to-click site. And we're gonna build this up, and we're gonna take this money, and we're gonna start a LLC or corporation. What's a LLC or corporation? This is a legal business entity. Excuse me, got tongue tied. But you can do this in whatever country you're in. Go to your local government and find out and you do your research on LLCs or corporations. And we're going to take our funds, and we withdraw. We're going to take our funds. We're going to build business credit. Business credit is just like you don't build it like you build in your personal credit. It's steps that you have to take to do this. But instead of us just depending on Myaddsup as a primary income, we're gonna build a real business, which is the LLC, and then the skills that you learn from the skill that I can teach you on starting LLC and building your business credit. Instead of you putting all your effort into just doing this pay-to-click site, we're gonna build a real business because, for one, a lot of people don't know about LLCs, business credit. They don't know about this stuff. This is foreign language to people. I didn't know nothing about this stuff a year ago, but I learned. I started my own LLC. I built my business credit. Instead of us depending on these opportunities, we can use the knowledge that we learn from here, and then you got businesses. Look at all these businesses that is going out of business, and more likely the reason they're going out of business is because, for one, they had an investor or they had somebody else controlling their business. But if you do it like this, you come in and you build a business credit, 6 to 12 months, you can build it up $50,000 to $100,000. Then you don't need no investor, no banks. You basically create your own economy, and whatever you decide to join or be in, if that's what you want to do, then you got the capital behind you to come in here and just say, all right, you come in Myaddsup. But you don't do nothing at first. You go ahead, start your LLC, you build your business credit, um, get your business credit up to 50,000. So now you got advertising budget for Myaddsup. So we go find somewhere where we can advertise. And we'll say our advertising budget is, let's say we'll do $5 a day. That's what, 100, that's $150. And we just get referrals. We just run ads for a whole month. Then the referrals come in, they start coming in, they start building their accounts in Myaddsup. Then we teach them the same thing. Teach them the same thing. Go out, start LLC, and build a business credit. And then they have their own advertising, but they go out do the same thing. And we just keep doing this over and over and over again. Then, we have the Myaddsup running the background. But to me, I want to build a team. I don't want to build a team for Myaddsup. I want to build a team where, for us, where we're all on the same level. Instead of one person just coming in and just making all the money. I'm teaching you to be on the same level, so we be equal instead of us being in my downline, and you're not getting where, because for one, maybe you don't have the capital. But what if I show you how to start your own business and you be able to build your own? You have your own capital. You come in here and we crush this as a team. But we still good. We still got the knowledge, and we know we can go into something else. So if we just we could go into a whole nother opportunity, because for one, we know how to advertise, and we know this. We got that capital behind us to go in any company and straight up crush it, because we learn how to market instead of us just depending on Myaddsup. But this is what I'm gonna use it for. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna start a whole nother LLC. Start building my business credit, and this is just gonna be for Myaddsup. But if something happened to Myaddsup, I built up $100,000 worth of business credit, and I can keep on. I can go and move into something else because I already had a capital behind me. So like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video.